Let us look at how to determine defrost sensor assembly defect. The defrost sensor assembly on top is normal product with the end fuse. The defrost sensor assembly at the bottom is defective with disconnected end fuse. Let us check end fuse of the normal defrost sensor. For fuse M, measure resistance of brown and blue wires. Measured resistance is 0.1 ohm, which is normal. Let us check resistance of end fuse in the defective defrost sensor. Use blue and brown ports to measure. You can see that the resistance cannot be measured. End fuse is disconnected, and this defrost sensor is defective. Let us measure resistance of defrost sensor in defective defrost sensor assembly. Check resistance at both ends of orange wires. Currently, resistance is 11 kilo ohms. It is normal when the temperature is at 25 Celsius degrees. Fuse M is disconnected. Even though the defrost sensor resistance is normal, temperature can rise above 72 Celsius due to failed temperature control during defrosting. In this case, end fuse is disconnected. Therefore, make sure to check end fuse even when the defrost sensor resistance is normal. When end fuse is blown, defrost sensor assembly needs to be replaced. Let us measure resistance of normal defrost heater. When both ends of heater connector are measured, normal value of 180 ohm is observed. Let us measure resistance of a defective defrost heater. When both ends of defrost heater connector are checked, resistance cannot be measured. In this case, end fuse is blown or insulated wire in the heater is disconnected.